everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in our rubber plantation, like here in Sibugay, Zamboanga del Sur. Guys, I just want to show you the process of our rubber plantation. I mean, when I was young, I grew up this kind of trees, like tawag nito, yun yung kinabuhayan namin, yung sa area na here in Zamboanga del Sur del Norte. We have like many rubber plantations, so I can say something about it because my father, when he is alive, this is our like living, like he planted a rubber like in this area. That's the main, anong tawag nito, pangkabuhayan ba? Kinagat ako. So yung ano nito, process nito guys, process. Ano siya, when you plant this is the seeds. The circle one, I still remember them. I don't live here anymore, but I visit here now. This 2020. Kinagat ako. So I can discuss you something. You have to plant this from the seed. Yung seed niya, yung bilog na ano siya, makintab, yung para siyang ano, julin, yung hulin, tawag nito. Tapos pag itanim mo siya after maybe few years, 5 years, ganun, tapos lumaki na siya ng ganito. Pero hindi ko matansya kasi bata-bata pa ako nung that time when we have this. I still like elementary and high school those time. So when the rubber growing up like this, like yung parang ano na siya, legs, the size of a legs ng maybe a guy or a man or a body of a like tiny girl. So you can start like, we called it sanggot. I don't know the term guys. See, this is ano like fast vlog. Yung sanggot siya, I don't have the sanggot though. And then I really know how to do this because I was doing this from elementary to high school. So you have to like that. Yung sanggot siya, yung the instrument, no, the weapon that you can use to cut this from here. And then paano siya, pababa siya. You just like a very tiny, maybe what, half inch. And then when you cut them, there's a juice. No juice, not juice. Extract rubber. Yung puti na lumalabas from this tree is this one. This is a rubber. One day, yung mga tires, sleeper, shoes, those are rubbers, made by rubbers. So it came from this tree. This is an optional. You can use this like a coconut shell, and you can also use a plastic cup. But when I grow up, we use it the coconut shell. Yung empty coconut shell, we don't have to buy them. Yung from ano namin, from gata, doon namin ginagamit. Tapos this one, you have to buy this. Ito lang yung binibili namin, yung parang sanda yung siya, yung daluyan nung ano. This is kinda steel. You can like stick on them. Use yung parang pangpako siya para doon dumalo yung guma niya. And then, for example, yung magsanggot kami, when we start like that, early in the morning, like 6 or 5 a.m. and then we finish after like 10. We will do it like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, mga 4, 5 hours. We finish maybe 100 trees or 150 trees. And then after maybe 2 hours, maging ganito na siya. And then we gonna carry a bucket. Magdadala kami ng bucket niyan. So ilalagay na namin siya, yung mga juice nung guma. Ito ano siya, plastic cup ang ginamit. So you have to put them in a container. Ano, mahirap siya. It's like all day working in the rubber plantation. Tapos paglagay mo siya ng container, ibali mapuno na siya. Meron kaming hole sa